Hello, we are here from Wuxi LOTOS Forming Manufacturing, you can see, and the other profile for fireproof window is now under testing. I want to show you during the working. We are explaining to you the roller by roller, station by station for other machines. This profile is a little different from that one, but as you can see, it's again closed profile by clamping or engineering over there, changing the lengths, checking the rollers, checking the shape to adjust the final roller station. Here we're going raw material input, you can check, and slowly by slowly I will show you how material change. You can check the application pipe. We use a application oil for this profile for less friction on the roller and material. Also, meanwhile, it can protect the surface coating for material. Here, let me show you the side roller design. You can see both part covered in the angle part. Check your roller. It's already past several processing, heat treatment, chrome coated treatment, surface finalized. Again, I will show you the side roller. For designing these rollers, it needs a special experience and professional engineering to design the roller one by one. You just give us the drawing, you just give us the sample, we design complete machine for you, that it can work for lifetime in your workshop. You can check between this roller and this roller, we have a two-side roller, one here, one over there, to make sharper the angle and step by step turn the profile ready to clamp. For adjust the side roller, we use here some screw, line, loosen and tighten. Now the machine working. Yeah, you can see this roller has a up, down and left, right side roller. Let me put it the camera down part. Here we can see side part. Also you can see here that's why we need a lubrication. You can check. Once we don't use lubrication, the surface, material surface, step by step will damage. You can check. It's good moment I take a video for you, then you can see while the machine working, station by station, how to change the shape from raw material to final profile. As we already explained to you, this gear using to connecting down roller to up roller to more power in up roller, also drive by down roller. Meanwhile, sometimes the roller diameter from up to down is not same, and it has a high pressure on the profile. We use the gears. See, also again on side rollers. You can see. This sharp angle on the roller drawing, especially to make the down angle more sharp, going to 90 degree. Here you can see bigger because its distance is bigger than before. We need a bigger roller. Let me show you from down part also. Also in this side you can check the gears how connected together. Up roller, down roller, connected by gears, both part drives with power. Here is the drawing for side roller. Each roller has a special drawing. Even the support has a drawing that is already designed by our professional engineer. Here we're going to clamp it. You can check this roller. Now we use the water for testing, but actually in customer workshop it should be used some lubrication oil. You can here see it's going to clamp the profile. Here. From here, we'll start to clamp the profile by several stations, special design of roller. Now going to final part, encoder to measure the length. We use the Omron encoder, as you can see, Japanese brand. And here is the final torque head for adjusted twisting profile. Now it's reached the length, it's going to cut. As you can check, it's flying cutting saw and it's auto moving out the table. Going to adjust the support roller in the end of machine before going to output table. I'm waiting here to guys check the cutting processing. It's connected by PLC. You can adjust the moving speed by PLC up to machine speed. And because it's closed profile inside MPT, we use a cutting saw. Now it's start clamping by 2 pneumatic cylinders. So this machine make a flat raw material to this shape of the final profile. It's used for fireproof window profile. It doesn't have any welding. The material thickness is 0.6. This machine can produce 0.6 to 0.9 millimeter. You can check the angles, the outside shape, profile. I show you from this part now, complete machines. I show you already from 0 to end. Now it's cutting parts. Once it's reached the legs that we already put in the PLC HDMI, it's automatically cut, clamp it by 2 cylinders and moving, you can see. We use flying cutting saw to non-stop cutting to increase the speed of production. Even you can see we use the lubrication during cutting. These 2 cylinders support the profile during cutting. Again, you pay attention. Now start. And moving back to its side position. Let me show you the operation manual cabinet. You can check. Here we show the legs that is already passed or cutting. Here's the speed, and till now we produce 8 pieces. It has several parameters that you can change. Parameter setting. Now it's again going to reach the near 4 meters. Okay everyone, this is complete line for closed profile fireproof window. If you have any inquiry for closed profile, no matter what shape, no matter which fill you want to use, which material you want to roll and form, just send us inquiry. We are available 24 hours a week, and we will design a special machine to you. As you know, we are from LOTOSFORMING Manufacturing, located in Wuxi City. You can follow us on YouTube channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.